Alright, so these are the light diffusers from the drop ceiling in our little powder room. We have never cleaned these like we have the others in the house. This is the first time we're doing these because I had to have the whole lighting replaced. So here we have the fixture, or the diffuser, and a little LA's Totally Awesome dollar store. Get a bottle for $1. Here we go. Just start spraying it on. You can see the nicotine just running right off, beginning to pool. I'll hose these down. I'll do half of them, hose them down, and then come back to the video again so you can see the difference. Okay, so here we go. As promised, I hosed a couple of these down, or sprayed them down with LA's Totally Awesome, and now I'll hit them with the hose. That's the difference. You can see on this one where I only sprayed half of it. That's the color it's supposed to be. That's the color it's been after 60 plus years or whatever of people smoking in this house before we got here. All that nicotine just turned those things orange. And they're supposed to be white. So, pretty wild. Pretty wild how clean they are. There's the after. Over here, there's before. That is supposed to look like that. So, last ones. Once this bathroom's done, we won't have to do these ever again, hopefully. So, cool.